Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have this beautiful sage green look. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. Also, if you guys want a tutorial on this hair, please thumbs up this video and leave me a comment down below and I will definitely get to it. All right, let's go ahead and get started. So I was supposed to film the whole foundation. I don't know, I guess I forgot to click record or lost I have no idea. But anyways, I started off with my foundation from Lancome, the Teint Idole Ultra Wear in the color 355N, and before that I applied the e.l.f. Hello Glow liquid filter, and I love that as a primer. It makes my foundation last all day and it's glowy. I love it. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend this all out. As you guys can see, the foundation looks very beautiful. I really like it. I usually wear my foundation with a brush, like apply with the brush when I want to go kind of like more into the less full coverage, and if I want full coverage I will go in and do it with a beauty sponge. So I'm going to go ahead and use two concealers. These are from Morphe, and you can use code PrettyGrace for some money off. And I'm going to go ahead and apply the medium shade first, and then I go back and apply the lighter shade in the inner corners, just to kind of give me that bright look under the eyes. So I'm just going to go ahead and blend everything out. I am using the same brush. I'm actually using a Morphe brush, and I'm just going to blend everything out. Like I said, I like to do it with a brush when I want less of a full coverage. So that's what I'm doing here. Just kind of blending everything out, making sure everything is really nice and blended. I do like to take my time. So I didn't really fast forward this video because I wanted you guys to see how long I take to actually prep and foundation and powder and all that on my face. So yeah, after I am happy of how I blended everything out, I'm gonna go with my little puff and my little and my powder. I'm using Too Faced Peach Perfect powder. It's one of my go-to powders, and then I'm using my little puff from It Cosmetics just to set under the eyes. And anywhere that I concealed, that's where I'm going to use this to just kind of set everything. So I'm just going to go ahead and set the rest of my face with a brush, and just to kind of speed up a little bit the process of setting everything, I just kind of go over everything just to blend all the powders and just make sure that everything is flawlessly blended. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that, and then we're going to go ahead and move on to the rest of our face. Alright, so for bronzer, I'm going to be using MAC's Give Me Sun, and I'm just going to go ahead and bronze up my face a little bit just to give me a little bit of color. So yeah, I'm just using a Morphe brush to apply this bronzer. I really like to go heavy on it, and then I go back and just blend everything out. After applying my bronzer, I do like to go back with the same powder brush and just kind of blend everything together just to make sure that everything is really nice and blended. I don't want it to be too harsh, so I like to go back and just kind of blend everything out with a powder brush. Today's palette is going to be the 35A palette from Morphe. Like I said, you can use code PrettyGrace for some money off online or in store. So I'm going to go ahead and start off with this green color. This palette is so beautiful. I'm going to be using this green color and applying this right onto my crease, and I'm just going to go ahead and build this up and blend it as I go. You just want to make sure that the color you're applying first is really nice and blended, because that's what's going to help get all these colors to blend in together. So I do like to take my time and blend everything, and blend as much as I can, just to make sure that I don't have any harsh lines. So yeah, I'm just gonna go back and forth applying the color and then blending it all out. I'm really surprised that I actually did one eye on camera and then I had to do the other one on camera. I usually do one eye first and then I'll do the second eye on camera. But yeah, anyway, so I'm going with a deeper green and applying this right onto my lid. It doesn't really seem like a really much of a color difference, but I felt like it was. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that out, and then I'm gonna go with this lighter green shade, and I am gonna go ahead and apply this right onto my brow bone. Make sure that everything is really nice and blended. All the brushes I'm using are from Morphe. I've been wanting to make a video on my brushes that I have, but it's just so many brushes that I have, like, I don't know. Let me know if you guys want a video on brushes as well. So I'm just gonna go back and reapply the colors to just make sure that everything is really nice and blended, and then kind of clean out any fallout, because it will mess up my whole foundation. Then I decided that I wanted like an eyeliner with a little bit of sparkle, so I am using this one right here with a Morphe brush, and just going to make like a little wing liner with it. And then I decided to switch up brushes and just kind of to make it a little bit more precise. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. So I'm just taking my time building that color, because it is a sparkly color. So yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. Once I'm done and happy with that wing liner, I'm gonna go ahead and apply some lashes. These lashes are from Amazon. I have them in my storefront. I'll link them down below if you guys are interested in getting some lashes from there. And then I'm just gonna go with this like green shimmer shade and apply this right into the inner corner of my eyes. I kind of wanted to keep it all green. I love green. Green makes my eyes pop a lot. So yeah, then I'm just going to go back and I'm going to just blend everything out. Make sure everything is really nice and blended. I don't know, I just love blending. Alright, then I'm going to go ahead and apply some mascara just to bond my lashes with the falsies, and I like to apply like a few coats just to make sure they're bonded. Then I'm going to do the same thing I did on top. I'm going to do at the bottom lash line just to kind of smoke it out, and I just love this color combination. They are so beautiful. I love it. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply that, then just blend everything else so it's not really too harsh. Then I'm just going to go back and apply a little bit more of that shimmery so that it kind of pops. And then I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye. I'm just going to go ahead and let you guys watch because it's kind of repetitive, but yeah. Alright, so for lips I'm going to be using Time Los Angeles, Makeup Forever, and a concealer from Morphe. And I'm going to go ahead and line up my lips. This is kind of like a cool tone brown lip liner. I'll list it down below. So I'm just going to go ahead and line my lips. I kind of wanted to try something different. But yeah, anyways. So usually when I do like very dramatic eyes, I kind of like to go with the nude lip just so that it doesn't really like kind of throw out the balance of it. But I kind of wanted to do like a orangey brown lip, so that's what I'm doing here. So I'm using Time Los Angeles liquid lip. And then after that I went with a Morphe concealer and apply it in the center of my lips, just to kind of give it like that ombre look. And I've really been loving that, so I don't know. So let me know what you guys think, but I really like it. So yeah, so it kind of still did my lips a little bit nudie, but still with a little bit of color. So yeah. And I'm just kind of blend everything out, make sure everything's really nice and blended on my lips. I did add a little bit of a gloss on top. I forgot to show that, but yeah. So then I'm just going to go ahead and apply some setting spray and then a little bit of highlight. This one is from Makeup Forever. And I'm just going to go ahead and apply some of that just to kind of give it a little bit of a extra, you know, highlight. And yeah, this should be the final look. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Let me know if you guys want a tutorial on this hair. I can definitely film that. And yeah, I love you guys so much, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.